Ayun, magandang araw po sa inyong lahat, no? So, today, nakikita niyo naman sa ating title na I will be reviewing one of the newest release, no, from the local scene, and this is called Cigar Royale, no, from none other, kilala na po natin yung brand na to. This is the Boar Grooming Co, no. Wala na pong marami pang introductions, kilala na natin, nakita natin kung paano siya nag-grow sa community at ngayon po yung impact ng The Boar Grooming Co lalo sa local scene, no. And yeah, shout out The Boar Grooming Co, of course, no, Sir Eman Ibita and your team, no. Shout out to you all. Hangang-hanga ako, matagal ko na sinasabi na isa si Sir Eman sa hinahangaan ko sa frog community. Hindi dahil nire-review ko ang The Boar Grooming Co, no, pero matagal na kami nagkakausap ni Sir Eman, no. And aside from his collection na talagang isa sa hanga ko sa community, of course, sa frog game, si Sir Eman, bilib ako sa passion, bilib ako sa commitment, sa dedication, no. Really commendable. But yeah, The Boar Grooming Co, no. So dati may inspired frog sila, no, na ngayon ginawa na po nilang another label or brand under pa rin ng The Boar Grooming Co, called Warthog, no. So lalagay din natin yung link below, no, para ma-check nyo rin na most of the inspired, no, or their interpretation of, no, ay from niche brands, no, niche perfumes, and meron ding mga designers, of course. So yeah, without further ado, Cigar Royale, no. So I've been wearing this for the past days to observe yung kanyang behavior. So pag lumalabas ako, ito yung suot ko, no. And before anything else, pakita ko lang yung presentation very quickly. So this is the box, no. Yung meron sa akin is the 50 ml, no. So box detail, no, ganyan yung loob, no. Very simplistic, no, very elegant, no, yung gold and the black theme, no. And of course, no, the perfume bottle, no, this is the juice color. Makita nyo naman, isa sa kainaan ko. And the gold, the clear na bottle, and of course the plate, no, black gold theme pa rin, no. So Cigar Royale, no, Extrait de Parfum, The Boar Grooming Co, again, no, a 50 ml, no, na bottle, no. And let me read to you the scent accords or the scent profile. So nakalagay po sa page, no, ng The Boar Grooming Co: smoky, boozy, ambery, spicy, may almond, no, balsamic, and sweet, no. And the notes, the top notes are, lalagay natin dito somewhere, tobacco, rum, clove, and mid notes are tobacco ulit, fenugreek, amber. Base notes are frankincense or incense, tapos tobacco ulit, tapos tonka bean, absolute, no. So those are the accords and the notes. Now, how does it smell? So for me personally, again, no, disclaimer, this is a subjective, no, na opinion. This is my personal experience sa perfume. Siguro pwedeng mag-vary pa yan, no, sa experience niyo, but this is how I experience it, no. So for me, it starts off with this scent ng fresh tobacco, no. Parang imagine, no, parang smelling a cigarette, no. Hindi po ako nag-smoke, no, pero of course, no, alam nyo yung smell nun, ng sigarilyo. Parang smelling the cigarette from the time na ilalabas mo siya sa kaha, parang ganun, no, to the time na sisindihan mo na yung sigarilyo. Parang ganun yung smell niya for me sa opening. So imagine the fresh, the slightly smoky pa sa una, the slightly sweet, and slightly spicy smell ng tobacco, no. And interesting enough, ito siguro yung hindi natin napapansin most of the time sa cigarette, no. May floral background yun, eh. And kuhang-kuha yan, in spray ko na dito, just to remind me of the scent, no. Kuhang-kuha yung floral background na maaamoy mo sa sigarilyo talaga nung galing, no. And para sa akin, mas feel mo, mas na-experience mo yung floral background pag sinuot mo siya sa malamig, no. Para kasi siyang parang for me pag mainit, no, of course you still experience a floral background, pero more of the paano ba, the smoky, the sweet aspect ng tobacco yung ma-experience mo sa mainit. But anyway, that's just me, no? Kasi again, nasa Baguio ako, so na-enjoy ko, I think, no, yung ganong facets even ng Cigar Royale, no? And ayun, after that, no, it transitions to, for me, a more defined tobacco, no? Nakita nyo naman sa notes, may tobacco ulit sa mid, no? Na dense and earthy / green, no? And slightly smoky, na parang unti-unting tumataas yung density ng smoke na yon, no? Not the same smell, no? Pero just to give you an idea dun sa density, no? It's slightly, again, no? Note, hindi po siya same smell. Baka sabihin nyo, sinasabi kong same smell. Hindi po. Yung density ng tobacco na yon, it slightly reminds me of, ayun, pakita ko na, this is red tobacco ng Mancera, no? This is the screw cap, no? So, for me, this is a smoother one, no? So, yung tobacco niya, of course, may apple pa yan sa top, may cinnamon, may pear, no? But, yeah, just to give you an idea of that density ng tobacco na sinasabi ko, no? Na parang umaangat, tumataas yung degree ng density, no? So yung sweetness here, no, speaking of the sweetness, para siyang para siyang maple syrup, parang ganun, parang imagine na yung cigarette, no, na sinindihan mo na, yung lit cigarette, nilagyan mo ng konting maple syrup, parang ganun, and no, so yun, no, smoky sweet. And that sweetness for me is enhanced by rum, no? May boozy accord to, may rum siya na note, no? So making it sweet and smoky, pero at the same time it's boozy, parang gano'n, no? As you can see here, no, also, no, taking note, no, we have perfume absolutes. Well, dahil hindi ako perfumer, I can only relate to you the process na sinulat ni Sir Eman, no? So basically yun yung scent profile niya for me. So starts off fresh, tobacco, floral, no, background that goes or that increases in density, becomes smoky, no, may parang it becomes boozy, tapos may parang may maple syrup effect, no? But yeah, that's just my experience, no? So speaking and going back dun sa perfume absolutes, no, sabi ni Sir Eman sa kanyang blurb or description, no, sabi niya, our meticulous infusion process combines premium tobacco leaves from Cuba, Nicaragua, Dominican Republic, and Honduras, no, carefully matured for 11 months to create a truly unique tobacco absolute. So that's for the tobacco, no, pero may tonka bean absolute din dito. So basically, no, yung process ng infusion and of course extraction and maturation. Sir Eman, no, could you please explain to us, if you could comment, no, or if you could write a post, ano ba yung process na yon ng making an absolute, no? So Sir Eman, no, if you have time, please share to us that process. But yeah, anyway, that's the scent profile. Yun po yung kabuuan ng scent profile para sa akin. Perfume similarities, it slightly reminds me of some fragrance, no? Slightly, no, hindi niya kaamoy na kaamoy. Again, no, this is a unique creation, wala siyang ginagaya. This is niche, no, this is Sir Eman's interpretation of tobacco and tobacco absolute. Pero it slightly reminds me of some frags, no. Number one is Tobacco Vanille by Tom Ford. If you have tried that herbaceous vanillic tobacco take, no, ng Tobacco Vanille, so slightly, no. And another frag is para siyang a distant cousin ng Angel Share, no. Wala na po yung Angel Share ko, but yeah, it slightly reminds me of Angel Share ng Kilian, no. And yung tobacco use ng Eau de Serre ng Naomi Goodsir, no, Naomi Goodsir, yung tobacco dito, of course, yung tobacco dito, it's more bitter, no, it's it's like burning na tobacco, no, na maraming fruits on the top, no, but yung tobacco, yung effect ng density ng tobacco ng Cigar Royale, no, it reminds me ng tobacco ng Ordo Serae, no, and performance, no. Pero before I forget, no, before we go to the performance, may mga nagtanong sa akin, no, sir, kalapit ba siya ng Royal Tobacco ng Amouage, no? So a great question, no? I have Royal Tobacco here by the House of Amouage, no. This is my favorite perfume. Hindi lang po sa house ng Amouage. Alam nyo naman po na my favorite perfume house is the House of Amouage, no. And I would say personally, para po sa mga nagtatanong kung magkalapit ba si Cigar Royale, no, and Amouage, kasi of course tobacco and frankincense, may fenugreek din kasi itong Amouage, no, and whatnots, no. For me personally, hindi po sila similar, no. That's just my take. Hindi po similar kasi po for me the Royal Tobacco, less yung sweetness niya. And of course, a combination, a complexity of fresh and warm spices. Tapos for me, mas earthy, no, mas complex, sabihin na lang natin. Mas complex yung use niya ng tobacco. So, if you're asking me personally, magkapareho ba sila ng smell? Para po sa akin, hindi, no? So, yeah, just to answer yung mga nagtanong, no, kung similar ba sila ng Royal Tobacco. And yeah, let's go to the performance. Projection for me, above average, no, lalo on the first R, no, you would really feel it, no, radiating sa skin mo. And yung central niya, yung sillage niya, of course, that's connected, no. Yung central niya, for me, parang parang, because this is a dense tobacco, no, parang for me, the central is also good, very good, no, actually. And longevity, pambihira, a beast, no, yun yung masasabi ko. Sa karamihan ng na-try ko, lalo yung mga dense na scent profile na frags ng Gabor Grumiko, halimbawa Galant, Under the Influence, even Hypnotic and Hypnotic Black, no, very good longevity, wala kang masasabi, no. And yeah, yun lang naman ang masasabi ko sa frag na ito. And again, no, shout out sa Gabor Grumiko, Sir Eman Ibita. Ilalagay natin yung mga links nila below, no, yung pages nila for Facebook, meron sila sa TikTok, meron din po silang Shopee account, no, meron sila sa Instagram, no. So ilalagay natin lahat yung links so you could follow, no, and you could check out their offerings. Speaking of offering, no, may kasabay ito binigyan ako ng sample ni Sir Eman ng Salted Caramel Dream, no. So para siyang vanilla ice cream, I believe, no. Siguro bibigyan din natin yan ng individual review very soon, but yeah, Cigar Royale by the Gabor Grumiko, no, very commendable. I would say na nasa top 3 ko to kasi yung top frags na pinakagusto ko sa Gabor Grumiko, no, yung of course from a subjective point of view are Galant and Under the Influence, no, definitely papasok to sa top 3, no. So yeah, maraming salamat po Sir Eman, no. I'm so proud of you, and patuloy nyo lang, sir, no. I'm one of the many people na sumusuporta sa iyo sa frag game, no, sa frag community. So yun lang, guys, no. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood, no. If you find my videos helpful, if you find this interesting, no, please do consider liking, sharing, and subscribing. Maraming salamat po at ingat po kayo.